Okay, I'm back, but only for a little while, because I really need to get to sleep. But I want to do this. Um, so early in the day, we wrote a seemingly successful QoI image decoder, where we basically just give it an embedded QoI file and then figure out all of the pixels from it. For instance, in a with some kind of debug comments from last time, when we run this file, we end up with a list of pixels that seem to match an image created earlier. But seem to match is very different to matching, and so tonight I just want to get some more, not get some more, get any experience with the Zig testing library. Since I have zero experience with it. I've had some experience with the tests in Odin, but to be honest, I didn't actually use them that often. But just from quickly browsing over all of the previous streams, the standard Zig library, there seems to be a lot of tests everywhere, which I think is really good. Like, I'm pretty sure if I just open up any single file here, there's going to be a bunch of tests. Like if I just do like bounded array, for instance, and then go down to the bottom, yeah, there's just like tests here. There's tests everywhere. So yeah, I think these seem to be a quite important part of the language design, the core philosophy, and so I should be using them in something like this. Okay, so where to begin? The documentation seems to have Zig test. So I just want to spend a couple of minutes just reading this, and then we'll turn some of the image examples we created earlier into test cases. And hopefully they actually run as planned. Okay, so let's see. Zig test. I'm just going to zoom in a bit. Let's make this full screen. Okay, Zig test. Code written within one or more test declarations can be used to ensure behavior meets expectations. Yeah. Okay, so what's the syntax? Test, some name, some scope, and then try standard.testing expect. I guess a boolean. Okay. Add one. A test name can also be written using an identifier. Okay. What's the syntax around this one? Does that need to be the same function as within? Anyway. Okay. And then how do we call this? We just do Zig test, then the name of the file. Okay. So yeah, I feel like this is actually this is all I need, and we can just immediately start writing some tests. But just in case, I want to read some more, or skim some more. Yeah, all of this is fine. Zig test is the tool that creates and runs a test build. By default, it builds and runs an executable program using the default test runner as its main entry point. During the build, test declarations found while resolving the given Zig source file are included for the default test runner to report on. So hopefully, given that this current file has a main function in it, it's not going to like cause anything weird to happen. We'll see. By convention, non-named tests should only be used to make other tests run. Non-named tests cannot be filtered. Okay. Where I'm not that interested in learning about nested container tests at this stage, so we'll come to these if we need to. Okay, there's a way to skip tests, a way to do memory leaks with them. What's this detecting test build? Okay, something here. Oh hey, hey two-step. Oh no, I actually haven't looked at my pull requests yet, but I can do that right now. Okay. Okay, yeah. I feel like the most important part is just this part here, which is great. Okay, but first, pull requests. Let's check this out. Oh, I've been signed out somehow. Okay. What's this one again? Let me just for like security purposes, make the screen disappear for a sec. So which one? This one. Okay. What is this? This is going to be, it's going to be, okay, oh, okay, this is really annoying. GitHub is now like forcing me to like go through this. I'm just, hopefully this will not take longer than a minute. Okay, I'm now back in. Good. Okay. Now here again. Okay, so where are we? We're going to Sudoku game. Oh! Sweet, okay. Thanks. There's a pull request. Thank you. Thank you, Travis. Okay, so what, okay. Yeah, the first time I'm seeing this. Okay, yeah, so what are some of the things you're suggesting? Whoa, lots of suggestions. Okay. Okay, let's see. Oh, sweet. You've yeah, you've already done some test stuff for me. Oh, this is really good. Okay. So let's see. Yeah, where should I start with this? I kind of just want to see like the two different files side by side. How can I do this? Is there a way to do that? Yeah, no. This is like anyone who is like this is definitely helping. It's helping me, helping the project. This is all great. Thanks so much for doing this. Um, I'm more just annoyed with GitHub at the moment that it just doesn't have there doesn't seem to be an easy way to have just like file one, file two things are highlighted. You know, like on Wikipedia, right? When you're viewing anything on there, I think you know what I mean, right? Okay. So you say like, yeah, browse repo at this commit on the commits page. Oh, okay. So how do we do that? So on the commits page, so we need to go to your like your cloned version, uh, this one, and then go to the commits here, and then this one. Um, is it this one? Split. Ah, amazing. Okay, great. This is what I wanted to see. Cool. Um, okay. Okay. I'm just trying to. Okay, I feel like maybe this stream is just incorporating this, and getting it working. Although like this should work fine, right? It's not as if I think like from memory you said last time for the kind of butterfly app, there were some like Linux problems with regards to like X11 and stuff. Hopefully this, yeah, this kind of compiled. Okay. Okay, yeah, so you're saying, so change this one, so you're saying change debug print to this one if in comp time, else, oh, great, didn't even realize this was a thing. Let me check that out. Documentation. Okay, very useful. Okay, and then yeah, if that's compile log, standard format, comp time, print, format args. Okay, great. Okay, and then this stuff here. How is this changing? So yeah, get rid of the comp time. Just change the name a bit. Read at any type. So I don't have much familiarity with this any type. Like I've seen it in various documentation, but I'm not sure what it actually is. Like how does any type work? Like it wouldn't be what kind of variable is it? Like it's kind of all over the place. Where do we find it? Okay, maybe on another day I can figure out how any type works. Okay. Oh, I see. So yeah, these may fail. So you're saying try each of these. Okay. Then. Okay. Okay, so then this is using the reader library. Okay. Okay, okay. Sure. And yeah, I guess these have been superseded by other stuff. And then, oh, okay, sweet. You've linked, so to go to any type, we can go to, I guess if I just go to, this is too long for me to type in, so I'll just go to, where's like the stream manager stuff?
I deserve it, thank you.
Channel, where's like the manager?
I deserve it,
Here
thank
it is.
you.
Channel, okay. Okay, function parameters can be declared with any type in place of the type. Oh, okay. In this case, the parameter types will be inferred when the function is called. Okay, use type of then type info to get information about it. Like, I think, so just like reflecting on this with Odin, I think like in Odin, there was like some way of saying if you want something to be like, you couldn't do it as general as this. It had to be like something of like integer type or an array of with some kind of attribute. So it's interesting that you can do this in Zig. Okay, and then yeah, presumably when you try and compile it, if the type of X is something for which there's no addition operation, the compiler will go, why are you trying to like add like, I don't know, like add two types together or whatever. I don't know how to do that. Okay, cool. Thanks for that. So yeah, QR to pixels. Okay, yeah. So now this reader is of any type. Still use this header. Still use the header, and then for the writer, also want this to be any type. Okay. Yeah, duck typing. Yeah, sure. Okay, yeah. So yes. So yeah, two-step says reader. There's meant to be an io.reader, but there isn't a great way in Zig to declare it. So readers or writers are any type throughout the standard library. Okay, that. Yeah, I wonder if that will change sometime into the future. But I guess if the best option at the moment is any type, then that's what the that's what it is. Okay. Okay. So yeah, I changed it early in the day, right, to just say number of pixels, since I thought that was easier. But maybe you're persuading me with this. Constant current byte try reader. Yeah, this is definitely like a much safer version of the code than what I had written. This is for sure. Yeah, I guess like yeah, I don't have much experience in Zig with like trying something that might fail and then dealing with the possible error, dealing with exceptions. Like in Odin, basically in Odin there's no exceptions, so you have to do things in a certain way, which isn't the way I did it here. But yeah, this is also an area I want to get more experience in. Okay. But yeah, I'm trying to remember exactly what the try does, but we can look into this later. Um, mm, mm, I see. Yeah. So yeah, this getting the reader by it just immediately does that. It's kind of these are the same. So saying switch here. Yeah, this part is more readable. I agree. Okay. What does this part do? Okay, it's kind of saying it's the same. Okay, and then yeah, just like a debug, print that out. So yeah, try sugar for catch e return e. Yeah, that's what I thought. There was a Ziegling's exercise that did this. Yeah. Yeah, it's just yeah, I guess I want to get more. Perhaps I want to get more practice with the stuff that try is basically doing, and just because when I currently see try, I just currently think of it as like try it, and then if it fails, something happens. I'm not sure what the something is. Okay. Okay, and then oh, okay. Nice that all of this can be cleaned up super easily. So yeah, so just read 3 bytes from this, and then okay, and then actually concatenate them this way. Okay, yeah, I thought for some reason this concatenation operator could only work at comp time. So I guess cool if it works at runtime instead. Yeah, let me look up that because I'd basically like cast all idea of ever using this outside of comp time before, so I don't understand how this works. Okay, only available when the lengths of both of them are no. Okay, but otherwise it's fine. Okay, good. Yeah, that's I mean, yeah, I'm happy to believe this. Maybe someday I'll look at the source code for the compiler and see if there's some like extra functionality that has not yet made it into the documentation. Okay, great. And then read an RGBA value from the file. Okay, so a similar kind of trick up here. Instead of reading them just separately, read them in 4. Great. Then oh, I don't. Where's that? Get rid. I don't want that. Okay. Okay, and then this kind of stuff. The same. Try reader. Yep. Okay. Okay, and then so then for this loop here, how does this go? So we were saying while run is not 0, do it, and then try write at current pixel. Okay, so in the previous scheme we had said you just have this array of blank pixels that we're going to be writing to, but now in this writing scheme we're replacing that with a writer instead, and then eventually we'll output that somewhere. Okay, and then yeah, it's this thing of any type. Do we need to initialize this in some way? Oh yeah, when we code it, how do we initialize it? Okay, yeah, so instead of this thing before, it's now, yeah, try doing this with FBS2 writer, and this is a fixed buffer stream. What's that? Yeah, where do we find this? Oh, if it's in IO, then we can just navigate there. Yeah, so zig library standard io.zig fixed buffer stream. Oh, and there's a separate file that does that. Okay, fixed buffer stream. This turns a byte buffer into an IO buffer, IO reader or seekable stream. If the supplied byte buffer is constant, then IO.writer is not available. Okay, and then we're passing in at something of type buffer. Okay, this is my kind of comment. Like, props to whoever wrote this code. Looking at this, I have no idea what a buffer is. This tells me immediately what it is. Okay, great. Okay, so when you initialize this, you say what's the test image pixels here? Is that just the number? Test image pixels. Oh, okay, yeah. This we do kind of need to allocate stuff. Okay. Oh, okay. So we're using a general heap purpose allocator here. Defer. Okay. Yep. Okay, yeah, so I'm still... What's happening? Oh, okay, so test image is the embedded thing, and then you can just define a buffer stream by just passing in a string to it. Okay, so right, which is kind of what's happening here. Okay, and I'm still getting used to like the one level of like object oriented in Zig. So how does the init stuff go? Yeah, where does it get passed into? Yeah, like write, seek, reset, get ridden. Mm, 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 maybe later I'll play around with this kind of syntax and learn it more. But okay, I can totally accept that this is just saying that what was it? Yeah, this one is just saying create a initialize this with that. Okay. And then test image header. Try and pass the header with this. Okay. But we're calling reader on it. So we're calling return dot context equals self. Where is this context? Is this like a special? Is this a special word? Okay, I'm assuming that's some special keyword. Wait, really? Okay. I mean, happy to accept it works. So yeah, so you say context is a field of io.reader. Oh, okay. So if we go to perhaps like reader.zib, okay. And then, okay, the context is something of type, where, okay, where the type comes from somewhere. Okay. Okay. This is useful to know. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I already feel completely out of depth with the buffer stuff, but it's great. This will be a great example to learn from. Okay, so yeah, try and parse that, and then yeah, create space to try and write stuff to. Yeah, okay. So, yeah, I guess I'm still a bit confused why we need the allocator here. Like, I think I understand. Like, the idea is that the parsing of the header itself might fail, and so like, if you're unsure that you can actually like pull out the integers at comp time, then you kind of don't want to just accidentally define a fixed array here. Well, I won't lie, I did kind of like it before when there wasn't any allocator, but maybe this is the way to go. Okay, and then let me do this. Yeah, I feel like this is a safer way to do it. Yeah, I guess, like, provided these tries will report like at runtime where the error is. Yeah, then I'm kind of happy with this. Okay. So yeah, okay. But yeah, let's okay, and then finally for this test here for the comp time pass, yeah, const pixels equals comp time block. Okay, so going back to the test stuff. Let me understand how this works. So yeah, we say test. If we say test, give it a name, and then just have a block where this stuff will get run when we write the testing thing. So then, okay, so then run this entire block of comp time. Yeah, do this fixed buffer stream. Try and do the header. Yeah, try and just make the image like that. Space for the pixels. Kind of do that there. Yeah, try doing that. Break block. Oh yeah, what does this bot do? So it's saying kind of break. Yeah, I'm not, I don't, I feel like I've seen something similar to this syntax before, but I'm not, yeah, it's not immediately obvious to me what it's doing. So you're saying the block is just there to separate the comp time and the runtime parts. Oh, okay. Okay, so I guess what does this test image pixels then do after the block? Yeah, because yeah, if this thing is the name of this, then I'm not exactly seeing what, I guess the first thing is, yeah, like if it was just break, I would be happy to understand that break here just means kind of leave the scope of this entirely. But then that would automatically break it out of comp time. So then, yeah, so yeah, everything in the comp time block happens at comp time. Yeah. But I guess why couldn't like what even is the break for? Like it's like I thought you only ever use break for say like a for loop or a while loop. The break sets pixels equals test image pixels. Sets pixels. Oh, okay. Okay, so yeah, so you're saying it sets this to this. Oh, okay. Curious. Yeah, I don't think I've seen this syntax before. Okay. Oh, okay, yeah. This feels like a really wild way of doing things. Like, yeah, this test image pixels is defined in here, but then you can somehow like pass it outside. Okay, interesting. Okay. Cool. Okay. yeah, let's try and merge it and see what happens. Like it should work fine on my machine if it compiled on yours. How do we do where's the merging stuff? Pull requests. There we go. Here. Yeah. Yeah, this looks exactly like what I read. Okay. Oh, okay. So maybe I actually there was a bug as well with this. Okay. Okay. So where do I press the buttons again? Yeah, here it is. So we want to do wait, let me just first check on my machine that there's nothing weird, right? At least nothing kind of important seems fine. Okay, so I want to say thanks for figuring out with the reader library. Okay. Cool. Okay, and then we do. I say it's nice. Nice to know if the file is now formed. There will now be distant errors. Okay. And then do we what is it? This is just the one I want, right? And then can I just add this comment and then do it? Okay. I think that's done now. Okay, I don't see the icon for the pull request, so I can just pull this down now. Great. And now let's do zig run qi.zig. Fantastic, excellent. Sweet. That I'm happy that went much more smoothly this time than last time. Okay. And this is great. An easy printout of what the pixels are too. Okay. Thanks so much again. That was this is really cool that I now have some really concrete code that uses the reader library. It's way safer. I can use this to help understand this and eventually try and write some stuff using the reader writer library myself. Okay, so maybe next time then I then try using the let's go back to qi.zig, but revert this. Next time I'll try and write some tests using using everything you wrote to manually say these are what the pixels should be for in this case and some of the other QOI files. Okay, but you're right, I should do as per the what is this? As per the test documentation, I should do the one that says like how to run the test. Yeah. So now we can do zig test comp time pass. Commas or without commas? Comp time pass. Okay, so maybe without commas. No. Oh, okay. Zig test QRI.z. Oh, great. Very cool. Oh yeah, this was the thing to do. Okay. Very nice. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, thanks so much again. Thanks so much again, TwoStep/Travis, for doing this. Yeah. This has saved me a lot of, I think, like future pain for when I use this QI, this decoder code in future projects. Yeah. Okay, and then you're also saying possibly try out ztest test filter equals comp time pass. Maybe yes. Test filter space comp time pass. No, zig test QRI.zig. Oh, okay. I'm gonna copy this and paste it in the file. This can be run on its own with the command. Okay. Okay, that would be my my 4 lines that I've contributed tonight. Okay, QI.zig, yeah, added like zig test, added line of how to run a single zig. Okay. Yep. Great. Okay, I'm going to, I think, call it for tonight then. And yeah, next time some more specific tests, and then using this to start to import some textures. We're gonna have to go back to the font stuff. What was it? VM font 64. I kind of realized from a while ago that these fonts that I was dealing with, this one that I selected, come on, okay. This one that I selected, I thought is kind of ugly. I think there's some better options out there. Like I noted that if I go to like Windows, if I go to fonts, even like some of these basic ones don't look. Some of these default ones that come with Windows don't actually look too bad. And so I think next time, if there's time to both do the tests and play around with these, I might end up just using one of these. One of these kind of default ones. Just create a PNG file with it using this. Export that PNG file to a QRI file. And then it's great. Then it's kind of very stable going into the future. yeah, from that point on, provided, I mean, this QI format is simple enough that anyone who knows the basics of a system programming language can just spend, like 4, 5, 6 hours, whatever I took, just reading the QI specification and immediately get the pixels out of it, which I think is how to sustain. That's like a manageable amount of compression. that's allowed. But okay, but all this stuff for the future. No, please don't apologize. You didn't derail the stream at all. You did you did more in. Yeah, this was like a glimpse into the future of what I know. Hopefully, in a year's time, I will be this competent with the with all of these buffer libraries, with tries, let alone something like this. I remember something like this from the Ziegling's exercise. There's no way I could write a format string like that at the moment. So yeah, thank you to Step for all of your work on this today. Okay, but yeah, I'll aim to stream again like tomorrow and the day after that. But yeah, otherwise, hopefully see you next time, and have a good night. Bye.